नाउ टू कंटिन्यू विथ चार्ट, मैंने पहले से एक टेबल बना के रखा हुआ है। आप देख पा रहे हैं टेबल, एम्प्लॉय नेम, डिपार्टमेंट, सैलरी। ओके, नाउ वी विल क्रिएट अ चार्ट फॉर दिस टेबल. So to create a chart, yesterday only I have discussed with you in the last class how to insert a chart. Go to insert and you see the chart tab, chart family, column, line, pie, bar, area, different types of charts are there. So for this type of data, let's do with the line chart. And when you click on the line chart, a blank chart area is created. Now to insert data, right click on the chart area and select data. Click on select data. Once you click on select data, select the data which you want to show on the chart. So you see, once you have selected the data, the chart automatically comes. You see here series 1. What is series 1? You can edit it by clicking on edit. Series name is salary. Okay, and you see the names of the employee and their department. Anna accounts, Anuj accounts, Vivek finance, Priya finance, Neha sales. So different employees of different departments. So once it is done, click OK. Your chart is created. It is very simple to create chart using MS Excel. Now few of the features I want to show you, like how to move the chart into a new sheet. Okay, move chart. Click on move chart. It will ask you to keep it in the same sheet. It is sheet number 3. So it will ask you to keep it as an object in the sheet 3. No, I want it in a new sheet. And you can name the employee salary. Okay, you can name the chart employee salary. We can rename the chart employee salary. Suman Kumar Tripathi, you are recorded. If you will switch on your video without permission, you will be kicked out of the class. Okay, continuing. So this is the chart, how it looks like. Yesterday only I have discussed with you. In the next class, previous class I discussed with you. Now today we are going to discuss few more things. This is the chart title, salary. You can edit the chart title. Employee salary, suppose employee employee salary chart or salary comparison. Okay, this is a line chart are better for comparison. So this is employee salary comparison. Now few more features I want to show you. You see chart layout. See, I am using Microsoft Excel 2003 version. For in 2013 version you will have these options as drop down. Like if you go through your textbook, you will find a tab called design. In design tab, in chart layout, click on quick layouts. As per your textbook, the methods are given. Click on quick layouts. Once you click on quick layout, you will get various options there, like changing the chart layout. You see there are various chart layouts. Let us select any one of them, say this one. So once you select this chart layout, the chart layout will change. It is already the same type. Let's do this one. So this is how this chart will look like, employee salary comparison, and the chart will look like this. The screen is clear to you. This one is more comparable, accounts department, accounts, finance, marketing, sales, marketing. So this way you can change the layout of your chart. Suppose we select layout 3, then the chart title will come at the bottom. There are few more options in chart layout, like this one. You see now salaries are showing in the below the name of the staff, below the name of the employee. This is how you can change the chart layout. How to change the axis title and all. This axis title, let's edit the axis title. Edit text, right click on edit text. it is showing the salary. So this is salary, employee salary, monthly salary, monthly salary of employee, right? So this way you can change the axis title, employee salary, monthly salary of employee. That's all. So it's so simple. You can modify this one, edit text as bold letters and font and all, you can decide. Okay, suppose you want to increase the size, let's keep it 15 to make it visible. You want to make it bold. If you want to make it bold, all caps, all small, you can change all these things. So this is more visible, monthly salary of employee. Then I have shown you moving, how to move a chart, how to change the chart style, which we have already discussed. Adding chart title we have discussed, adding axis title we have discussed, adding data labels. Data labels is very important. How to add the data labels, it is already added over here. As you can see, data labels, the bar is showing 12,500 salary. These are the data labels. Okay, and names are in the x-axis, name and department are in the x-axis. So data labels are already there. Adding data table, one more option is there in your textbook, adding data table and adding grid lines. You can follow the steps given in the book and you can add various options over here. Okay, so this is all about creating chart, different types of chart. If you want to change the chart type, you can go to the insert one, go in design, change the chart type. If you want to change the chart type, just select how you want to change. Suppose line chart. So if you change the chart title as line chart will look like this. If you change the chart type to pie or bar, let's do it in bar. Bar is more visible, different options are there for bar. Let's do this simple one, bar. This is how it will look like in bar chart. So column chart, line chart, bar chart, huh? Different types of chart, free from corona. You can consume this. That is what I was talking at the beginning. Okay, so there are many chart types which we cannot discuss in a single class, but this is enough to understand the different how to insert chart and how to edit various elements of chart. This is all about this chapter.